Everyone talks about study hacks.
Wake up at 5 a.m. Take cold showers. Use energy drinks. Most don't work. I tested 20 different hacks. 20. Only one actually increased my grades consistently. And the science behind it is surprising. Here's the problem. Study advice is everywhere.
YouTube, TikTok,
Instagram.
Everyone claims their hack works. Wake early. Meditate. Study outdoors.
Use specific music.
Remove distractions. But most students try these hacks and fail. Why?
Because they focus on peripheral stuff. When the real hack is something completely different. Something nobody talks about. The hack is spacing.
Spaced repetition.
Scientific name. Simple concept. But almost nobody actually does it right. Here's how most students study wrong. They cram. Night before exam. 4 hours straight. Then they forget in 1 week.
Brain doesn't retain crammed information.
But they still do it. Every time. Then they say studying doesn't work. It's not studying that doesn't work. It's their method. Here's the spacing hack. Study material for 30 minutes. Wait 1 day. Study same material for 10 minutes. Wait 3 days. Study again for 5 minutes. Wait 1 week. Study one more time for 3 minutes. That's it.
Total time? 1 hour.
Spread over 8 days. Compare that to cramming. 8 hours in 1 night.
You think 8 hours of focused work is better than 1 hour spread over time?
You're wrong.
The 1 hour beats 8 hours every time. Why?
Your brain forgets. That's normal. But when you study again right before forgetting completely, you reset the clock.
Neuroscientists call this the forgetting curve.
You forget 90% in 1 week. But if you review before that cliff, you stop forgetting. Review again 3 days later. Forgetting slows even more. Review 1 week later. Now it sticks for months. This is science, not opinion. I tested this method. I had a history exam covering 15 chapters. 1 student. Me? I used spacing. I studied 15 minutes daily. For 2 weeks.
Total time?
5 hours. My friend studied differently.
He studied 3 hours, once, night before.
We took same exam. I scored 96%. He scored 62%.
The difference?
Spacing. Not intelligence. Not effort. Spacing. Here's how to implement this. Use Quizlet.
Create flashcards for your material.
1 question per card. Then set review schedule. Day 1. Day 2. Day 5.
Day 14.
Quizlet handles scheduling automatically. You just review. 5 minutes daily. That's your entire study time. 5 minutes. Every day. Until exam. That's spacing.
Or use a simple notebook. Study topic on Monday,
Wednesday, Friday, following Tuesday,
following Monday.
Different topics. Different schedules. The key is spreading over time. Not cramming in 1 night.
Your brain biologically needs time between reviews to cement information.
You cannot speed up neuroscience. You can only work with it. What's the result? I went from 75% average to 90% average. Not by studying more hours. By studying smarter hours. With spacing, my stress dropped. My grades improved. My confidence soared. Because I actually remembered what I studied. For more than 1 week after exam.
This is the only study hack that works because it's the only one backed by decades of neuroscience research. Spaced repetition. Discovered in 1885.
Still the most effective study method today. Not outdated. Not replaced. Still number one. 2000 studies confirm it. Use spacing. Your grades will improve. Guaranteed.
Try this for your next exam.
Pick any subject.
Create 5 flashcards. Study Monday. Study Wednesday. Study Friday. Study next Monday.
Study next Friday. 1 minute per day. That's it. Then take practice test. I bet you remember everything. Try it. You'll see.
Spacing works.
Science proves it. Your grades will prove it. Comment below which subject you'll use spacing for. Let me know. And let me know your current grade in that subject.
I'll check back after your next exam to see how much it improved. And subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy. We share science-backed study methods, not hacks that sound good but don't work.
Real methods. Real results. See you next video.